Hello, English friend. Take a deep breath. This is your quiet time with English. Today we talk about polite confidence. How to speak politely without sounding weak. How to be respectful but strong. Many learners struggle here. You want to be polite, but too many sorry makes you sound unsure. Too direct sounds rude. The balance is polite confidence. Respect for others, respect for yourself. Let's start with understanding politeness. Politeness is respect, not weakness. Politeness is not about apologizing all the time. It is about showing respect. Respect for the other person. Respect for the situation. Overusing sorry makes you sound like you are always wrong. Sorry, can I ask? Sorry, but I think... Sorry for bothering you. This is too much. It sounds weak, like you expect to be wrong. True politeness is calm, clear, respectful without apology. Listen and repeat. I respect your time. I respect your time. I respect your time. Confidence comes from clarity. Confidence is not loud voice, not complex words, not fast speed. Confidence is clear message, calm tone, slow speed with pauses. Speak slowly. Pause between ideas. This makes you sound in control, strong, professional. Try this. Speak one sentence. Pause. Speak next sentence. Pause. Your listener understands better. You sound more certain. Example, instead of rushing, can you help me with the report, please? It's urgent. Calm and clear. Can you help me with the report? It's urgent, please. Listen. Can you help me? Please. Repeat. Can you help me? Please. Can you help me? Please. Polite requests, simple and clear. Requests are normal. You have needs. You communicate them politely. Use these. Can you please? Could you please? Can you is direct but polite. Could you is softer, more professional. Short sentences have power. Avoid long apologies. Wrong. Sorry to bother you, but if it's okay, could you maybe send the file? Right. Could you send the file, please? Place please at the end. Natural. Strong. Could you send the file by this afternoon, please? Time makes it confident. Would you mind sending the file, please? Very polite for professional. Practice. Could you call me later, please? Repeat 3 times. Shadow. No apology needed for information. Can you tell me the time, please? Simple. Saying no politely. Saying no is not rude. It is honest. Protect your time. I'm afraid I can't help with this. Polite. Firm. No apology. For invitations. Thanks for the invitation, but I'll pass tonight. Thank you, but I have plans. Structure. Thank you plus no plus optional alternative. Thank you, but no thank you. Thank you, but I'm busy. Maybe next time. Practice. I'm afraid I can't. Repeat. Shadow. Feel the confidence. Disagreeing politely. Disagreeing is normal, not dangerous, not rude. Avoid. No, that's wrong. Aggressive. Avoid. Yes, maybe. Weak agreement. Start with agreement. Show respect first. I see your point, but I understand why you think that. However, in meetings, that's interesting. Let me think for a moment. Buys time. Shows respect. Then share your view. Example, I agree it's important. However, I see it differently. Practice. I understand, but I think... Repeat slowly. Shadow. Your polite confidence promise. Now, make this promise. I speak politely and confidently. I respect others and myself. I use clear requests. I say no when needed. I disagree with respect. Repeat after me. I speak politely and confidently. Shadow it 3 times. Comment below. Like if this helped your English. Subscribe to Boywitheng for more boy-to-boy stories. See you next time. Keep dreaming big.